Website owners, I bet you're sick and tired of seeing your competition outrank you on the search engines, aren't you? I know you want to show up more in organic and local searches, get more calls, and make more sales. Well, I'm here to help you with that. Right now, you're laser focused on growing your visibility, attracting high-value customers, and improving your sales. Maybe you've tried working with a marketing agency or two and gotten nowhere. Maybe you spent a fortune month after month on paid ads with nothing to show for it. Look, you've thought about going it alone, but where do you start? You know your business is outstanding, but the rest of the world hasn't received the invitation. It's like you're throwing a great party and no one's showing up. Look, I get it. I see people every day, brilliant entrepreneurs like yourself, struggling to generate leads and sales online. And here's the twist. You don't need to be a tech genius or a web designer to achieve stellar results. Hi. My name is Steve Scott, and for more than 25 years, I've been the go-to guy for all things SEO, web design, and digital marketing. I've worked with hundreds of businesses, from startups to industry giants like MSC Cruise Lines, 1-800-PET-MED, Sims Recycling, even Hooters. Plus, I spent the last 17 years teaching SEO and digital marketing to students from all over the world. Over the years, I've picked up a few tricks about getting clients to the top of Google, and now I am super excited to share this wealth of knowledge with you. I've distilled all my years of experience into an online training program packed with insider secrets to help you dominate both local and national search results. It's called Steve Scott's SEO All-Stars. And if you want to unlock your website's full potential and turn targeted traffic into actual buyers, then you need to click the link around this video somewhere, and I'll take you to a page where you can learn more about my SEO All-Stars on-demand training program. In this program, I break down my years of website optimization knowledge into easy-to-follow concepts that you can implement right away to improve your site's performance. You'll learn how to do it all yourself or to better manage your team's efforts, and I'll be there to support you and answer your questions every step of the way. Now, at the time of this recording, I still have a few spots left on my introductory pricing. So go ahead, click the link on this video, come on over to the next page, and I'm going to show you everything that's included in my SEO All-Stars training program. You've got nothing to lose, as I'm going to let you check everything out absolutely free for 14 days. I can't wait to see you there. But first, got to click the link. Come on, join my SEO All-Stars team. See you on the inside.